Hello, DC21 scholars. This is Miss Pipel, and I'm going to introduce you to week 3 assignments. You have 4 again this week, and you are going to be preparing for your final with this. So please keep in mind when you get to the brainstorm activity, that is just the very beginning of your final. All right. Please make sure you have opened your Google Calendar and accept any invites to your Period 2 or Period 4 class sessions. Period 2, we meet on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 11 a.m. And Period 4, we meet on Tuesday and Thursday at 1 p.m. If you need to come to an earlier or later session, just let me know and I can forward you that invite as well. All right, let's go over your assignments 1 through 4, all of which will be found in Google Classroom. Assignment 1 will consist of a video that you can watch, and it will run through the assignment for you. You'll also have a video to watch and listen to the audio and text of names, nombres for understanding. So those last week was your first read of the story and the first read of the text-dependent questions. This week, your purpose for your reading is to answer those 10 text-dependent questions and turn them into Google Classroom. Assignment 2, story structure and coming of age. Now that we have read Names Nombres, we are by Julia Alvarez, we are also going to outline its structure with a form of guided notes. And then, as I mentioned earlier, you're going to brainstorm some of your own coming of age moments that you have experienced. Assignment 3 will always be assignment 3. It's homophone practice 3. It is a Google Doc. Identify the correct use of the homophones and choose and explain which quote is your favorite. And assignment 4, your gratitude journal, week 3. My slide wants to not have that, but there's a series of prompts. You choose however many you want or need. Your goal is to write at least 10 sentences. Type 10 sentences. All right. Thank you. And as you go into this week, again, please accept those calendar invites. The link will be in the subject line. You just simply need to copy and paste it into your URL. All right, you guys have a great week, and I will talk to you and see you soon.